Let us continue. Shining surface absorbs less amount of light and it reflects very large amount of light. So the answer of fourth is less amount of light. Now the fifth one is a laser beam is basically a light. So in the 6 fill-ups, the answer is incident ray, 7th reflected ray, 8th normal, 9th solar, and the 10th answer is rarer. Then pick the true and false. Speed of light in air is this is false. Then object produce same sensation on the eye when they reflect or emit light, true. Newton found more than 10 colors in a white light. This is false. Now these are not there as these are reduced. This topic is reduced. So 14 and 15 is not there. Now match the following. Plane mirror, flat surfaced mirror, D. Submarines used periscope. Then speed of light in water, C. Speed of light in diamond, that is D. Once again students, plane mirror, A. Submarines, B. Speed of light in water, this is C. Speed of light in diamond, it is D here. So you can match it out. A, D, B, C. Now definition, reflection, plane and angle of reflection. This definition you can write. Either you can go through the video or you can write the definition of reflection. Reflection, bouncing back of ray of light is known as reflection of light, or you can write from here. You can write from here. Reflection of light, the returning of light in a medium after striking the surface of some other medium is called reflection of light. You can write the definition of reflection from here only. Then plane, definition of plane you can write from here. A flat or fully level surface is called plane. It can be horizontal or vertical plane. And then angle of reflection, definition of angle of reflection you can write from here. Angle of reflection, the angle between the normal and the reflected ray made at the point of incidence is called angle of reflection. Right. Now move to the next F. Question, which of the two reflects light much better? Answer I have written. The answer of 22 question is light color reflects light much better. Then 23, why do microscopes use plane mirror to reflect light on the slides to be viewed? Then question number 24, state first law of reflection. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection, that is angle I is equal to angle R. Then write any one characteristic of image found by a plane mirror. This is question number 25. Anyone you can write literally inverted. Once again you can go through it. The answer of 22 is this, 23 is this, 24 is this, and always equal to angle of fraction. Then the 25th is literally inverted. Now students, move to answer in details. Explain the phenomena of reflection of light. It is given at page number 61. Page number 61. Explain the phenomena of reflection of light. First of all, just write this definition. From here to here, then give the heading explanation. After that, you can start writing from here. From here, if a surface is highly polished, from here to here only, along with diagram. Once again, after writing the definition, you can start from here, draw the diagram, and then up to here only. So the next question is explain examples of reflection of light from daily life. Now it is page number 62. Page number 62. Here, any three example you can write. Give example of reflection of light. Any three example you can. So any three example you can write. Any three. 6 are given. You can write any three example. Once again, this is answer of 27 question. So any three example you can write. Now move to question number 28. Define terms related to reflection with respect to plane mirror. It is given at page number 63. Page number 63. You can start from here. This is the answer. You can start from here, plane, from here up to here only. Then you can start from here, incident ray, and till here only, angle of reflection. You have to write the definition of all the terms related with the reflection of light up to here. Now move to next question. State and explain laws of reflection. So you can start from here only. There are two important laws of reflection. 1, 2. After that, after writing these two, you can give the explanation from here only. Explanation up to here. Now move to the next question. What is a plane mirror? List its uses. Okay student, you can give the definition which I have told to you in the video. You can give the definition of a plane mirror. That is answer of question 30, plane mirror. So any three uses you can give. Here are the uses given. So any three uses you can give. And you must go through these facts. Now the students, next question is 31. Explain reflection of light from a plane mirror. It is given at page number 66. Page number 66. This explain. You have to start from here and up to here only you can write law of reflection. Up to here only. Up to here only. You can start from here and up to here you can write. So again, this is answer of 31st questions. Now 32 is not there. Since this topic is not in the syllabus due to COVID-19. Now the 33 gave characteristics of the image found by a plane mirror. That you can write from here. Always virtual, upright, and of same shape and size of the object, and literally inverted. You can write from here only. This is the answer. Now the next question is, what do you know about the speed of light? It is given at page number 70. So open your book at page number 70. So this is the question number 34 answer. So you can start from here up to here, you can write. Then after you can start from here, sunlight, till here you can write, and after that you can start from here, speed of light in vacuum and speed of light in media. Till here you can write. Once again students, start from here up to here, then again start from here, sun, right up to here. No need to write this para. Start from here, then up to here, media, you can write. So this is the answer of question number 34. Now the question number 35, question number 36 and question number 37 are not there in the syllabus. The last is, what is rainbow? How is it formed? Now it is page number 75. You can write here, page number 75. Here. Now students, you can start from here only. A rainbow has steps of many colors. Till here you can write along with the diagram. Up to here only. Once again you can start from here and up to here during raining. Only till here you can write. So with this students, your first term syllabus is finished. In the next video we will discuss some important points regarding the exams. So till now, thank you very much. All the best.